Hey everybody, I'm Sam Webb and this is Shopify Dev Tips. Today I want to talk about adding apps to your Shopify store. So let's get started. So right here you'll see the app screen and you'll see that I have 4 apps added right now. I have the Facebook app, I have Printful, print on demand app, Shopify's product reviews app, and Shopify email. So if I wanted to add a new app, I would come over to this page and come to this button that says visit the Shopify App Store. Click that and it will open up Shopify's App Store. Now here you can look through the apps that they have. They've got apps for everything. These are apps that, some of them are apps that Shopify made, but most of them are apps by other developers. But if you come here and you know which app you're looking for, you can just use this search feature and look for it. So today I'll be looking for a back in stock app. And it just happens to be called back in stock. And this is it right here. Back in stock customer alerts. And before I continue, I should mention this video is not sponsored by SureSwift Capital, the company that makes back in stock customer alerts. This just happens to be the app that I'm used to using and I decided to use it for this video. So on the apps page, you'll find a bunch of useful information. You'll find its description, links to its website and their developer website, information about reviews and pricing. And when you're looking at apps, I would encourage that you take a deep dive into this page. And once you've decided that you want this app, you would just click this Add App button and it'll take you back to your website. And here you'll see some of the information that this app is going to have access to on your website. I'm comfortable with this app, so I'm going to go ahead and click this button, Install App here. And then depending on the app, you might have to go through a terms of service agreement. So let me do that. And then here we are. Now we're in the app dashboard. So if I go back to my store and I refresh this page, you'll now see that we have back in stock right here. And let me close this other tab here. And you'll see if I click this, it opens me up into that same dashboard that I was just in. And depending on the app that you install, they might have specific instructions that you need to follow. They might have some specific code that you need to put into a specific file, or you might have to run through some sort of setup within here. But at this point, for us, back in stock is already set up. It's already installed whatever it needs to install on our front end, and so now we can just test it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a product that is sold out so that we can test this on the front end. Alright, so we've got this product. It's called BB Test. If you look down here, you'll see that we have track quantity on and we have available 0. We come back up to the top and we click view. We can see this on our website. And just so that there's no confusion, at the moment I have a really basic theme from Shopify's theme store, a free theme, live on my site while we continue with the Shopify theme build series and finish up that custom theme that I'm building for the site. But back to the email when available button. So this button was automatically added next to the add to cart button, or in this case the sold out button. And if we click this, we get this pop-up modal that says the product name, and we can put in an email address. So I'll put in my email address and click email when available, and that's it. Right. So if we go back to the site, or if we go back to the admin and we refresh this, we see now we have one notification. And the most wanted product is BB Test, and our recent activity is this person, Sam at samtheweb.com. And what will happen is once the product is back in stock, an email will automatically be sent to them. So in terms of adding an app, that's really all you need to do. Now obviously all apps are different, and some apps may have a few extra steps that you have to take. And so if you have to take those extra steps, most apps are really good at giving you that information up front and laying out the exact steps you need to take to get that set up. But for this specific app, we didn't have to deal with any of that. So that's it for this video. So hopefully that was helpful. If it was, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you next time.